I'm gonna give this territory a wash because it's been sitting outside for ages and it's got spider webs on it. I'm gonna give the underbody a bit of a wash too. Engine bay degrease, maybe give the interior a vacuum, and then I'm gonna start working on this bonnet. I've got some Ego grey paint. I'm gonna give it a paint and get rid of those dents. Let's go. Yesterday, I went and picked up some paint from Paint Away in Sunshine. This paint here was $220 a litre because if you didn't know, the Ford Ego paint has like a gold and purple and green metallic in it and some pearls. So this paint is rather expensive. And the bonnet on this car is black, so it's obviously off something else. So as you would have seen in the first video, or if you haven't seen that, the bonnet has a couple of dents. And what I've done is I've just drilled some holes and put a screw in there and then pried it out with a hammer just to bring those dents up, and it's actually worked pretty good. So I'm gonna have to smooth those out, give them a light bog, and get the front of this looking better, at least color matched. The grille that was in there was broken, so I'm in the market for a grille. The front bar has like scuffs and stuff on it. I haven't attempted. Oh, that looks like it's, yeah, scratched all the way through. So maybe the front bar needs to be done as well. Yeah, got some clear peeling. The car's been sitting outside for a while, so spider webby. Some of the paint is a little bit sun damaged. As you can see there, spider web's taken over. We're gonna give it a wash now. This is the car wash I'm using. Chemical Guys foam, honeydew snow foam auto wash. I was gonna buy the Chemical Brothers gun, but it didn't attach to a garden hose. You have to have like a different pressure washer. Yep, I'm guessing that's enough. Oh, bubbles. Armor all, man. I'm gonna break this gun. I'm not sure what I'm doing wrong. Oh, this hose, man. Doesn't even reach the front. The hose is too short. And the gun won't press again. Is there something in here? Am I accidentally locking it, or brand new Armor All gun? Doesn't want to click back. This is the third snow foam gun. If anyone out there knows a good snow foam gun, please. I'm gonna smash the out of this thing. Literally will not press. It won't click. Do we open the gun up and see what's going on? Let's have a look at the quality build on this thing. Is this rubber? Feels like this is glued on. This is the that I don't want to be doing right now. There we go. So it's just like something behind the spring. I don't get it. I feel like that's jammed as well. Some water spurted out. The gun's working. Can we connect it up to our foam cannon? I don't think so. It's getting satched. All right, the gun won't shut off. It's like pretty much a straight solution there. I think I might just have to get a new pressure washer with a proper gun attachment on it. And this stupid fucking entry-level bullshit that doesn't work. Could be my fault. So we've got two new gas struts on yesterday that came from eBay, and this is what our engine bay is looking like right now. It's probably not the worst in the world, but it does need a little bit of a clean up. You get a bit deeper, you can see a little bit of dirtiness there. I don't know if we have high pressure washed this yet or not. Can't remember. It doesn't actually look that dirty, but we'll just do it anyway. Using our trusty Motortech degreaser. Grab this from any auto barn. I think they usually have deals like 3 or 4 cans for $7. It's pretty good. And what I love about this is they just go so far, so you can stand like 2 meters away. And this will just loosen up all the oil, grease, road grime, dirt. It's like pre-soaking it, but it'll help more with oils and, you know, power steering fluid. It's actually good to have your engine bay clean, so then if you do get a little leak or something, you know where to look for. We're going to be changing this top mounted cooler setup to a front mount because these top mounts are pretty inefficient and they heat soak, which means that they get hot and the air that the engine breathes in becomes hot as well. So then performance is lost and everything starts heating up. So when we first acquired this car, it did not have an airbox at all. I think it was just running a pod filter. So we got original airbox mounted in, which Thomas has done an amazing job, my son, doing that. That will do for now. And then we're going to use a pressure washer for this one. Why is there a plug just hanging? Oh, heavy car. Can this jack do it? So here we can see all the new arms, the SY2 conversion that I got on the car. Check it out in there. One Stop Bush Shop if you guys want that stuff done or any bushes done on your territory. Or Falcon. So we're going to give it a bit of a clean under here. It's looking pretty average. So I started putting this plastic thing under here because it was missing. And then I thought I'll get the bonnet off because I need to do all the work with the power tools while it's daytime and no one's sleeping. So we're going to take the bonnet off now. I need a flathead screwdriver. My garage is absolutely trashed. I need to do a massive cleanup in here. So the brand new fucking bonnet struts that we just put on need to come off. Screwdriver's not going to work. I'm frustrated today, man. Working on cars is extremely frustrating, but it's a question of, do you have the patience to push through the frustration? It's all about the mental talk inside your head, your inner dialogue. How are you talking to yourself? What are you saying? Are you making it more frustrating? Because literally what I learned ages ago is like, the more frustrated you get, the dumber you get. Probably not ideal taking this bonnet off on my own. Just got to make it happen, I guess. This could slip off at any moment. Could be a massive fail. I do some stupid shit a lot of the time, but somehow I make things work out. All right, that one's off. It's being held up by the bonnet strut. Put our bonnet bolts there. Trip over the jack. Kind of regret buying this car. I don't know how the hell I'm going to pick this up. It's heavy. Oh, my back. Don't do this at home by yourself. Whoa. Trip over the jack. Oh. This is not a how-to video. So this is what we need to clean up, and that. Plus we're going to sand the whole thing and paint it. Just going to get it done here today. The whole thing, maybe. So I'm using one of these sandpaper pads on my grinder, which is pretty old, but I'm hoping it's going to work. Next episode you're going to see me paint this bonnet. So that's what it's looking like now. I've rubbed it back, I've rebogged it again, a couple of low spots. It's going to clean up nice, getting the shape going, and yeah, get it on the car. Shoot a comment, I'll reply to all the comments. And thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in the next one.